One of the hardest aspects of making an effective presentation is including content that your audience cares about and engages with. Well, it's actually way easier than you think if you're using the right tools. I'm Ivan from Visme, and I'm going to show you the best ways to get your audience locked into your presentation with infographics, video, and animation. So if you're ready to captivate your audience and elevate your presentation game, let's dive into it. To start off, what engages someone more than talking directly to them? Not many things, but one that I can think of is a moving object. You can use what we like to call shiny object syndrome to your advantage by incorporating motion when creating your presentation. Motion draws the eyes and helps retain attention. Our brains are hardwired to notice movement. Incorporating animation in your presentations doesn't just add flair, it strategically guides your audience's focus, keeping them engaged longer and making the content more memorable. Let's say you're explaining a concept with static images versus one that uses smooth transitions or animated graphics. The animated one wins and engagement hands down every time. It's really that simple. Whether it's transitioning between sections, illustrating a process, or highlighting specific data points, animation breathes life into static information. But here's the key. Moderation is everything. Too much motion can be overwhelming. You want to enhance, not distract. You're not making TikToks for Gen Z. Or maybe you are, I don't know, that's on you to know your audience. But what types of media can you use to increase your audience's engagement? Try integrating video and audio, the basics, into your presentation. Videos, when used well, can communicate messages far more effectively than words alone. Research shows that visual content paired with audio increases retention rates dramatically, up to 65%. That's because videos combine auditory and visual learning styles. Imagine discussing a complex subject like climate change or technological innovation. Instead of just explaining verbally, you embed a 30-second clip that visualizes the impact. That's what video can do. Simplify the complex, energize the mundane, and connect on a deeper level. Using tools like Visme, embedding videos into your slides is incredibly easy. The interface allows for seamless integration so you can play a relevant clip without ever leaving the presentation mode. Whether it's a product demo, an interview, or a mini documentary, these elements can create an immersive experience. And don't underestimate the power of audio. Sometimes all you need is a break from the spoken word to keep your audience's attention. Embedding clips from podcast interviews or even short audio explanations diversifies the sensory experience. If your presentation feels like it's losing momentum, adding a quick audio segment can really help reset and re-engage your audience. Then there's background music. The right track sets the tone and atmosphere for your presentation. Whether you're aiming for a relaxed vibe with light instruments or trying to energize the room with an upbeat tempo, music is a subtle but powerful tool. Again, with Visme, adding audio to your presentation is as simple as uploading your file or selecting it from the library. But what about graphics? Is there a way to make the necessary data I'm presenting exciting? Short answer, absolutely. This is where you can use data visualizations to have simple, attention-grabbing references for your audience to follow. Facts, figures, and statistics are integral to most presentations, but they can also be some of the hardest to communicate effectively. That's where data visualization comes in. Whether it's pie charts, line graphs, or radar charts, well-designed visual elements make complex data easy to understand. But when you add animation to these visualizations, you transform dry numbers into an entire story. Let's break down a few types of visualizations and how they can be animated for better impact. Let's start with pie charts. They're ideal for showing proportions when you have fewer categories. A subtle rotation or slice expansion can draw focus to that key data point. Next, you have bar charts. Use animation to introduce comparisons smoothly. Bars can rise up or slide in from the side, making it even more engaging for the viewer. You also have line charts, perfect for showing trends over time. Animating the line as it grows across the graph helps the audience follow the trend visually in real time. Think of a pyramid chart showing hierarchical data. When animated, each layer can fade in or slide from the bottom to the top, emphasizing the levels of importance or size. You can even have a radar chart comparing multiple variables where each axis fills up individually, creating a sense of suspense and progression. In Visme, you can easily animate charts and graphs by inputting data manually or importing it from spreadsheets. The key is in the customization, making sure the animations are consistent, clear, and not overly complicated. Here's a pro tip. Always include a legend in your visualizations. A clear legend helps your audience quickly interpret the data, making sure your message gets across with minimum friction. But don't forget about data widgets. They are super easy to include. Animating these elements makes your numbers stand out. Whether it's a running counter for sales figures or a growing percentage, the audience can literally watch the data come to life. But a great presentation isn't just about looking slick. It's about connecting with your audience. That's where the interactivity comes in. You want your audience to feel like they're a part of the journey, not just passive spectators. That's why people say talk to your audience, not talk at your audience. One of the best ways to connect is through storytelling. Humans are wired to respond to stories, so weaving anecdotes or narratives into your presentation can evoke emotions and make even more complex data relatable. Say you're presenting on a new app or a service. Don't just list the features. Share a story about how someone's life changed by using the product. The emotional connection will help your message stick with the audience. You can do this by pulling from your case studies or positive feedback that your support team has provided. Even better, you can use animated characters or story-driven sequences within your infographics to illustrate the point visually. This approach keeps people emotionally engaged while reinforcing the key takeaways. They break the monotony, add variety, and create a more immersive experience. Plus, it helps build a relationship with your audience so they can be more invested in your overall message. And you can break that monotony simply and easily with Visme, our all-in-one design platform we created for people just like you to create professional-grade presentations utilizing each of the engagement tactics that we discussed today. And you can try Visme today at the link down below. I'm Ivan from Visme, helping you design better for your business.